Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? Hello, I'm back with another jewelry haul. I have 2 pounds of costume jewelry, vintage and modern. Let's get started. Let's dig. If you hear random snoring, it's my pug. I apologize. Oh, this is a beautiful necklace. Looks like crystals. Oh, nice. Says Austrian, USA crystal. The lobster clasp. That is beautiful. It's like a fashion necklace. Silver tone with clear rhinestones. Little hearts. This is heavy. This is natural stone. Towel clasp. Looks like jasper. Pretty. So everything will be available on eBay. I'll link my eBay store below. It's also in my bio. Alright, look at that. Juicy. Silver tone. The shamrock. Necklace. Oh, these are heavy. These are pretty. Like glass faux pearls. 3-stranded. Large spring ring clasp. Vintage necklace. White acrylic beads, gold tone. We got the slide box clasp. Oh, this is a choker, 2-stranded. Nice. Looks like a seed bead bracelet, or bangle, I should say. Blue and green swirl, choker, buckle clasp, no signature, bummer. Still really pretty. Ooh, an enamel heart pendant with pink and clear and like an opalescent rhinestone. Oh, it's Swarovski. Never mind, it's crystals, not rhinestones. The silver tone chain. Lobster claw clasp. And then we also have the signature. Very pretty. Necklace, glass beads, silver tone hammered disc, gold tone. We have a rope also, the strand, lobster claw clasp. Oh, brooch. Oh, it looks like Sarah Coventry. It is. That's pretty. It looks like we have a bracelet. We have white acrylic, fold over clasp. Seems really small. Buckle clasp. Oh wow, okay. This is more like a crown. It is pretty. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Looks like another brooch. Pretty. What does it say? Looks like a necklace. This one is gold tone, floral with clear rhinestones. It looks like it's Betsy Johnson, but I've heard that there's a lot of fakes going around, so to be safe, I probably won't list this. That's pretty. I'm not sure how to tell if it's real or not. I'll have to look that up. Alright, looks like another necklace. Oh, this is pretty. Beautiful rhinestones. Faux pearls. Oh, we got a shepherd's hook. Oh, it looks like we got 1928. It's got the swirl design. Very pretty. Have a bracelet. Looks like dyed abalone disc with acrylic beads, stretch bracelet. Let's see, we got lobster clasp, and then we have faceted acrylic beads, different color blues and purples, and faux pearls. Pretty. A necklace. A $50 gold tone chain, spring ring clasp. Very nice. Another seed bead bangle. Yellow, red, green, and black seed beads. Another enamel necklace, silver tone with like a gray swirl. Fold over buckle clasp. No maker's mark. Dragonfly metal pendant, silver tone with glass beads, cabajón in the center, pink rhinestones, and then we have cat's eye. Pretty. Oh, it's Chico's. And faux leather with the hang tag, also Chico's. Another statement necklace, like ceramic beads along with hammered gold tone. There's the back. Actually, I think these are acrylic. Alright, and then we have faux leather lobster claw clasp. These. Oh, these are beautiful climbers. Absolutely gorgeous. Silver tone. Beautiful. And last but not least, we got a ring. Okay. Black acrylic, gold tone with clear rhinestones. Looks very small. Very pretty. Well, that was my small jewelry haul. This is everything I got on the table. Very pretty. Was not expecting this, but alright, so that is everything. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!